Imagine an endless blue ocean, and in its heart a single tiny speck of land, Pitcairn Island. It's so remote, the nearest neighbour is over 300 miles away. No airports, no cruise ships, just a multi-day sea voyage from French Polynesia, braving the open Pacific. The island rises abruptly from the waves, its cliffs guarding a single landing at Bounty Bay. Here silence reigns, broken only by seabirds and the crash of surf. Life moves to the rhythm of tides and the quarterly supply ship, a lifeline to the outside world. The ship's arrival is a communal event, a reminder of the island's fragile connection to modernity. On Pitcairn, the stars shine brighter, the ocean's moods are ever present, and existence is pared down to essentials. Before we explore its history, we must first feel its profound solitude, a magnificent outpost at the edge of the world. This is where our journey begins. Pitcairn's story is inseparable from the infamous mutiny on the HMS Bounty. In 1789, Fletcher Christian and his fellow mutineers, fleeing British justice, found sanctuary on this hidden island. They burned their ship, severing all ties to the world they left behind. The early years were marked by violence and tragedy as cultural tensions erupted among the settlers. Out of chaos, a new society emerged, built by survivors, led by John Adams and shaped by a blend of European and Polynesian traditions. When rediscovered in 1808, outsiders found a thriving, English-speaking community, descendants of mutineers and Tahitians. Pitcairn's legacy is one of reinvention, forged in isolation and survival. Its people are living history. Today, fewer than 50 people call Pitcairn home, nearly all descended from the Bounty's settlers. Everyone is family here. Cooperation is essential for survival. When the supply ship arrives, the whole island mobilizes to unload vital goods. There's one store open a few hours a week. When supplies run out, you wait months for more. Islanders grow their own food, fish the surrounding seas, and rely on each other for everything. Internet is slow and expensive, a fragile link to the outside world. Entertainment is homemade, shared meals, music and stories. Life is practical, deliberate, and deeply rooted in heritage. The mutiny isn't just history, it's family memory, alive in every name and tradition. To live here is to embrace independence, community, and the rhythms of land and sea. Pitcairn is a tiny volcanic remnant, just 2 square miles of wild ridges and cliffs. Ancient petroglyphs hint at vanished Polynesian settlers predating the Bounty's arrival. Isolation has fostered unique plants and the rare Pitcairn reed warbler found nowhere else. The island is surrounded by one of the world's largest marine reserves, pristine reefs teeming with life. Scientists discover new species here. For islanders, the ocean is both larder and legacy. Nature dictates daily life, weather, soil, and sea shape every decision. Islanders are custodians of this fragile ecosystem, living in harmony with its cycles. The environment isn't just a backdrop, it's a partner in survival. Pitcairn is a living sanctuary, fiercely protected by those who call it home. With its population dwindling, Pitcairn invites new settlers, resourceful, resilient people ready for a life apart. This isn't a casual move, it's a commitment to self-reliance, community, and simplicity. There are no hospitals or supermarkets, just what you can build, grow, or fix yourself. The rewards: profound connection to nature, neighbors, and purpose. For those seeking escape from the modern rush, Pitcairn offers belonging and meaning. Could you trade convenience for solitude and find home at the world's edge? Pitcairn challenges us to redefine what we truly need. A lonely speck, but a beacon of endurance and hope.